High above the Earth, the B-1B Lancer cuts through the sky. With variable sweep wings and for powerful turbofan engines, it represents speed, reach, and precision on a strategic scale. This aircraft is not only designed to fly fast and far, but to embody decades of aerospace engineering discipline. The story of the B-1B Lancer begins long before its first flight inside secure facilities. Engineers transform strategic requirements into aerodynamic forms, structural limits, and system architectures. Every line on a blueprint defines speed, payload, and survivability. Wind tunnel models, digital simulations, and production timelines shape an aircraft built for sustained high-speed penetration. This is where concept becomes commitment. Production starts with materials, titanium alloys, aircraft-grade aluminum, and advanced composites. Arrive under strict documentation and traceability. Each batch is analyzed, heat-treated, and inspected. Non-destructive testing ensures internal integrity before any material moves forward. In strategic aviation, precision begins at the atomic level.
Okay, easy now.
Clear on the left. Keep it steady.
Curvature is within tolerance.
Good. Begin retraction sequence.
From raw material, the B-1B structure takes shape. Fuselage frames are aligned on heavy jigs, fastened and verified to exact tolerances. At the center lies the wing carry-through structure, engineered to absorb immense loads from variable sweep wings. This structure defines the aircraft's strength, its stability, and its lifespan.
Clear the zone, moving the forward section now.
Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
In conclusion, the B-1B remains a critical asset. The work you see exemplifies the dedication and skill of our engineers.
readout here is showing a slight variance.
Yeah, I see it. Let's recalibrate the sensor before we flag it. Clear
With the
cable
structure
bundle on the left.
complete,
Okay,
systems
clear. Go
are installed. Fuel, hydraulic, electrical,
Hand me
and
the
flight
torque wrench.
control networks are routed through the airframe with absolute precision. The F101-GE-102 engines are mounted, bringing thrust capability to the airframe, avionics, cockpit controls, and environmental systems transform structure into a functional aircraft. Every connection is labeled, tested, and verified.
Check the alignment on frame 42. Looks good. Torque to spec. Just a little more to the left. Okay, hold it there.
Torquing the final bolt now. Pressure is green.
Bring it down slowly, another 2 inches.
Copy that. Starboard alignment looks good.
Secure the locks. All right, we're aligned. Bring her home.
Confirm. Secure the mounts.
Torque specification met. Marking complete.
Screw secured on the glare shield.
Okay, I'm running the diagnostic sequence now.
Okay, the clamp is secure. Pass the torque wrench.
Here it is. Start with the lower bolt.
Roger that.
The completed aircraft enters final finishing, surface preparation, primer application, and low visibility coatings are applied
Move the
under
braking light
controlled
slightly
conditions
lower.
on the ground. The
Right here.
B-1B
There's a minor
undergoes
distortion near
extensive
the rivet
testing,
line.
electrical power-up, hydraulic activation, landing gear cycling, and engine ground runs. Only flawless performance allows the process to continue.
All right, hold it right there. Clear the starboard side.
Copy that. Starboard clear. Set the brake. Electrical bus 1 engaged. Confirming green across the board, moving to external checks.
Look at the discoloration right at the coupling.
Got it logged. The flow rate is exceeding tolerance already.
check on engine 4. We are seeing a slight fluctuation in the N2 compressor speed.
Roger that. Control. Readings confirmed.
All systems green on the tablet. Cold soak complete.
Roger that. Clear the area.
Nose gear articulation looks good. Moving to the starboard intake. Clear of FOD.
Gear sequence, hydraulics.
Pressure holding steady. Check the auxiliary system.
Auxiliary is nominal. Checklist complete.
Flight test day marks a defining moment. The crew board's systems initialize and engines full for departure as the
Going
B-1B
internal now.
accelerates and lifts from the
Copy,
runway.
following you up.
Years of engineering meet real world. Physics, wing sweep mechanisms adjust in flight, telemetry confirms stability, control, and performance. Each maneuver validates design assumptions. Now cruising at altitude, the B-1B Lancer demonstrates the result of disciplined production. Behind this smooth flight lies a complex journey. Materials shaped into structure, structure transformed into capability. The production process ends here. The mission of the B-1B Lancer continues across the sky,